Hello everyone, this tutorial is about a pleated neckline with a round collar, so let's see how to get it done. Take your shirt's front part template with a 4-inch deep round neckline, and also all around the neckline I drew a 3 or 4-inch line. Now mark 3 inches under that 4 inches and now mark 1 over 4 inch at the side. So now join these 2 points. From that 1 over 4 inch side mark, give a round or whatever shape you like to your collar. Give that shape. So this 3 or 4 inch round shape around the neck would become your round collar template. So we'll cut out these shapes. This is your 3 or 4 inch around the neckline and the 3 inch down your small V shape. So cut out these shapes. Now I will mark 3 points all 1 inch apart from each other. But before extending these points, first draw a straight line under your armhole. Now extend these points up to that straight line and then slit. Now open these slits 1 inch and glue or tape another piece of paper under it. Take your front template and match the armhole and side drafting from underarm and cut off the extra. So that's your front template now. So place it on a folded piece of cloth and cut accordingly. So run a stitch on these pleats to stabilize it. Cut your back of the shirt according to your normal shirt drafting, except this neckline. Cut this back 3 or 4 inch around the back neckline. That would be your back of the collar template. So when you reach here, cut out that collar in your fabric too. So first we will hem the V shape in the neck. So for that, take a piece of cloth which must be 3.5 to 4 inches wide and 4 to 5 inches long, and pin it all around the V shape and then run machine on it. And after that, then carefully cut this open and then carefully notch the sharp V. Make sure not to go through the seam. Now turn it toward the back side, add interface and then hem. Once that is done, then attach front and back of the shirt at shoulders. This is our collar shape which we got from our shirt neckline template. One thing you need to make sure to set it such that the back of the collar must be on a folded piece of cloth and then cut it out, leaving seam allowances all around. For interface, cut exactly the same size with the back on folded side to get whole back collar. Now place the interface on double piece of cloth and cut all around, leaving seam allowances. Start running a stitch from one end of the collar to the other end from inside. Once the collar is done, find the middle and cut a notch. So turn the collar right side out. And then attach it from the wrong side so the interface side could come on the right side. So here I pinned it up all around the neckline and I'm attaching the collar to the shirt, and it is from the shirt's wrong side. Once you've finished attaching this one side to the shirt, then flip the collar to the right side and then fold the edge inside and then run a stitch. This is exactly the same method as you do your Chinese collar. I have shown it in many other videos. So we are done. So thanks for watching and make sure to subscribe to stay connected.